Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss on how to compare decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousands. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, we are in the week number 5 of quarter 2, day number 1. Compare decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousand. So, the learning competency at the end of the lesson, you should be able to compare decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousand. Now, how do you compare the decimal numbers with decimal parts to 2000? First, you're going to compare compare the digit from left going to the right. Again, you're going to compare the digit from left going to the right. So, start with the whole number, tens, hundreds, and thousands until you find the difference. Now, let's have some example to further analyze. Compare each pair of the decimal numbers using the symbols uh, greater than, less than, or equal to. Now, we have number 1. 357 thousands compared to 359 thousands. Now, let's align this one in column. So we have 357,000 and we have 359,000. Now, so compare the digit from the whole number, from tens, hundreds, and thousands. So as you can see, the difference between the two decimal number is in the thousands place, because in the ones place we have same digit. In the tens place we have the same digit, and we have same digit in the hundreds place, and in the thousands place 359 is the higher value compared to 357 thousands. So therefore, the answer is less than. Okay? So next, number 2, we have 127 thousands compared to 2 tens. Now let's align this one in column. So we have 127,000 and 2 tens. So to make this one same number of place value, we're going to add 2 0. Okay? So let's compare the whole number, the tens. Oops! In tens place, as you can see, 2 tens has the greater value. Therefore, no need to proceed to hundreds and thousands. Therefore, the answer is less than again. Okay? So, next, number 3. So, we have 2 and 7 tens. So, align it in column again. And then we have 2 and 7 hundreds. 7,000s rather. 700,000s. Now, as you can see, add 0 to make the two decimal numbers same place value. Okay, and then compare from left going to the right. So start with the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. As you can see, all the place value have the same number of digit. Therefore, this would be equal. Okay, number 4. We have 8 and 456 thousands compared to 7 and 499 thousands. Now, let's compare the digit. Let's start with the left going to the right. Let's compare the whole number. So, as you can see, by comparing the whole number, we already know who is greater. Okay? What would be the number was a greater value? Correct. The answer is 8. So, therefore, the answer is greater than. Okay? So, 8 and 456,000 is the greater value compared to 7 and 499,000. Next, number 5, we have 23 and 367,000 compared to 23 and 335 hundreds. Now, again, in comparing, you need to make the two decimal numbers same place value. Higher place value, we have now the same highest place value of thousands. Now compare from the left going to the right. Start with the tens. hundreds, thousands, and hundreds. Okay, so tens and hundreds. So as you can see, in comparing the hundreds place, the higher value or the greater value is 23 and 367,000. Therefore, the answer is greater than. Okay? So, now, to enhance your skills in comparing each pair of the decimal numbers, try to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give you 1 minute to answer each of the following question. The timer starts now. Try to comment down your answer in the comment section. For number 1, compare 327 thousands to 372. Number 2, we have 505 thousands compared to 500 thousands. And then we have number 3, 899 thousands compared to 9 tens. And then for number 4, we have 1 and 5 thousands compared to 1 and 5 hundreds. And then for number 5, we have 2 and 120 thousands compared to 2 and 102 thousands. Now, let's try to reveal the answer. For number 1, the correct answer is correct, less than. For number 2, the answer is correct. The answer is greater than. For number 3, the answer is correct, less than. And for number 4, the correct answer is correct. The answer is less than. And then for number 5, the answer is greater than. Okay? So, that would be the correct answer. So, try to check your answer if correct. Okay, so take note. So, how do you compare the decimal numbers with the decimal parts to 2,000? So, always to compare the digit from left going to the right. So, start with the whole number, tens, hundreds, and thousands until you find the difference. Always make the two decimal numbers same highest place value by comparing. Okay? So, in real life application, in a swimming competition, the swimmer finish with the following time in seconds. Ana finish with the time 55.55 and 327 thousands. Bea is 55 and 372,000. And Carla is 55 and 329,000. The question is, who finished the race faster? Okay? The correct answer is, by comparing the three contestants, compare 55 and 327 thousands, 55 and 372 thousands, 55 and 329,000. The smallest is 55 and 327,000. That would be Anna. Okay? So, Anna finished the race faster. Okay? So, that would be the answer. So, try to practice your skills. Compare each of the following decimal using the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. So, try to answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.